Welcome back to the channel. Cosmic Alpha 6 brings significant improvements to System 76's desktop environment. One of the most anticipated features is the new desktop zoom, accessible through accessibility settings or shortcuts like Super Plus equals, Super Plus minus, or mouse wheel scrolling. Speaking of accessibility, the screen reader and magnifier can now be activated directly from the login screen, enhancing the experience for all users. Another highly requested feature is desktop icon support. Users can now show or hide folders, drives, and the trash with adjustable icon size and spacing for better organization. The display scaling options have been expanded, allowing users to increase screen size from 5 to 20% beyond the default value, ensuring a more personalized visual experience. Workspaces have also seen updates. You can now swipe between them in the overview and drag minimized windows across different workspaces, making multitasking more seamless. A practical improvement is the new window alignment feature. The option, floating windows aligned to nearby edges, ensures automatic and precise window organization. The launcher has been upgraded, now allowing users to scroll through more than 8 search results and featuring a countdown timer for shutdown, restart, and logout options. Cosmic Files has also received significant updates, including automatic path completion, support for password-protected zip files, and middle-click copy and paste functionality. With these enhancements, Cosmic Alpha 6 takes another big step forward in delivering a refined and user-friendly desktop experience. Thanks for watching.